Hey there! Today we're diving into an interesting problem involving calculating means in R. The issue at hand is that we need to compute the mean by week, but week 21 is missing data. So, we've come up with a clever solution to switch the grouping from week to month for that specific week while still keeping the overall calculations accurate. The solution involves utilizing the dplyr package in R. We start off by grouping the data by month, and then calculating the mean for each month while creating a new column called month_mean. Next, we regroup the data by week and use the coalesce function to combine the weekly mean with the first month's mean for week 21. This approach ensures that week 21's mean is calculated based on the month's data, resulting in a final mean of 5.8. In summary, by cleverly manipulating the grouping in the dataset, we were able to accurately calculate the means by both week and month, overcoming the missing data issue in week 21. I hope you found the solution helpful and insightful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts or any other data wrangling problems you'd like us to tackle next. Until next time, happy coding